Everyone, I'm Khushhal Chaudhary, and in this video I will be talking about a really interesting AI tool from Google which you can access for completely free. Well, usually you have to buy subscription of these AI tools if you have to use them properly, or ultimately if you want to use them up to its full potential without any foundation, right? Because if you start to use ChatGPT, you will notice that after some time, when you have quite a bit of conversation with it, it says that your maximum limit for the day has exceeded and now you have to wait for tomorrow because you are operating on free plan. But what if I tell you that there is a tool specifically developed by Google that you can use endlessly without any limitation, and you will never have to be bothered about paying to these companies? Yes, I'm talking about Google Gemini. Google Gemini AI Pro plan has been offered under student offer as a gift to the students for 1 whole year. So if you are a student who is studying in college and you have your college ID card, you just have to go out there on Gemini site and then type in your credentials. You have to type in your college ID, you have to type in your name. Maybe they will ask you for the image of that ID card, and then you are good to go. You are subscribed to 1 year plan for Google Gemini. But there is one catch. You will also have to give the details of your card, because they will set an automatic payment from your account that will be deducted from your account on yearly basis. But you can cancel the subscription anytime that you want. Now, this offer was announced somewhere in July 2025, so it has been there for quite some time. If you subscribe to this offer today, then for you it will end in the month of October. Let's just say you subscribe for it on 5th October 2025, then it will end on 5th October 2026, and after that there will be the specific amount of money that will be deducted from your account. And that money will be actually huge if you do not cancel before that, right? So it will be somewhere between 10,000 and 20,000 because you're subscribing to the yearly plan that is provided by Gemini. But you do not have to worry about it because you can always cancel the subscription before Google deducts the amount from your bank account. And that is how you can use Google Gemini AI Pro plan for whole 1 year for free and just utilize it to its full potential. I hope you like this video. It was really short and on point. And if you like the video, then please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also comment down below and tell me what I can improve in the videos, what I can improve in the way that I communicate, what can I improve in the video editing style. And if you have any other doubt, then please also comment that down below. And if you have watched till the end, then please write that down in the comment box that, okay, I have watched till the end, I liked your video, and I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you very much.